Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate equals ignore case predefined method of string class in Java. So let's get started. In the previous sessions, I've explained different important predefined methods of string class, that is length predefined method. After that I covered caret predefined method, then substring predefined method of string class. After that, I covered the equals predefined method of string class. All these are the important predefined methods of the string class. Even this equals ignore case is also another important predefined method of the string class, which I am going to cover in this session. Okay. Equals ignore case is also another important predefined method, okay, of string class. So to understand this equals ignore case, you have to compare this equals method, okay, with equals ignore case. So you just need to see the difference between equals and equals ignore case to understand what exactly is equals ignore case. Coming to equals, it is case sensitive. While comparing the two strings, we use equals predefined method, right? This is case sensitive. But coming to the equals ignore case, it is case insensitive. Okay, it is case insensitive. For example, in this case, if I give something like this, Arun dot equals, if I give Arun, okay, in the equals method case, if I give this example, let's say if I take this example, Arun dot equals Arun, this will result in false because here capital letter A is there, here lowercase letter a is there. Okay, so this doesn't match with this one on comparing, so it will result in false because it is case sensitive. Equals method is case sensitive. Now the same example, if I try, okay, if I try the same example, if I try this same example here with equals ignore case instead of equals, if I otherwise I have to write it, guys. Okay, instead of writing like this, if I write Arun dot equals ignore case of Arun, if I write like this, in this case equals ignore case method will return true, guys. Okay, it will not consider the case, it will only consider the text. Here Arun and Arun are same, doesn't matter whether it is uppercase letter or lowercase letter. In this case, even uppercase letter and lowercase letter is important while comparing the two string text. Here it's not important. Okay, here text is important rather than the uppercase or lowercase. Okay, so now let me demonstrate this practically. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class as demo h, let's say some random name with main method. And inside this, I'm going to create string s1 is equal to, I'm giving Arun. String s2 is equal to Arun. Okay. Now if I say system.out.println s1 dot equals, sorry, if I write s1 dot equals s2, s1 dot equals s2, Arun, are they equal? Text wise they are equal, but case wise they are not equal. Capital A is different from lowercase a, that's why it will result in false. If I use s1 dot equals, in place of the equals, I'll use equals ignore case. It will ignore the case. It will not, it will only compare the text. It will not worry about the case. So in this case, it should return true. Run this code. So let me drag it here. Okay, just see here. Equals method is returning false. Equals ignore case with the same example is returning true because it's not considering the case. It's only considering the text. So hope guys you understood what exactly is equals ignore case predefined method of string class and how it is different from the equals method of string class. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.